from a woman who fell off a waterfall in Montgomery County and lived to tell the tale.
Yeah, Kaylee Duke says that she fell about 30 feet onto rocks last month. She says that she credits her survival in part to her friend who quickly ran for help. WSLS 10's Rob Manch has the story.
Right now, Kaylee Duke has to wear a back brace every day. She can't even go upstairs. But after falling off a waterfall here at Camp Altamont in Shawsville, she sees just having her life as a blessing. For Kaylee and her friend Kayla McGuire, September 19th changed from a fun afternoon hike to a near-death experience in a split second.
So we started going down and I got my foot caught and it just like twisted and I started falling back and Kayla grabbed me and I guess just the water took me.
This is video Kayla shot on her cell phone moments before Kaylee fell.
She fell about 3 stories off the waterfall.
When she got to the bottom, Kayla says she immediately knew it was serious.
I checked her out before I left her, and her back was, I could feel a knot in her back. And that's when I realized that, yes, we have to get an ambulance.
Kayla raced back down the 2-mile trail.
I found an emergency phone, and I contacted the local office of the camp. Also, I called the police.
Around 30 emergency responders from 5 different departments came to Kaylee's rescue. When she finally got to the hospital, the diagnosis wasn't good.
I had 2 vertebrae that cracked. One was shattered and it was leaning up against my spine.
That meant she needed surgery to prevent permanent damage.
Never had any type of surgery before, so it was really scary.
The surgery was successful, but for the meantime, Kaylee's life is different. She moved back home so her parents can care for her. She sleeps in the living room because she can't go upstairs, but she says there's a silver lining.
Just thankful that, I'm going to be able to walk and I'll be able to live life.
Kayla is also still by Kaylee's side. She started a GoFundMe page that has brought in more than $800, but she says more than anything, the two of them have learned a valuable lesson.
Always use the buddy system. If you're going on a hike or whatever you're doing, let somebody know and just keep in touch and just remember, like, anything can happen at any time.
Kaylee says the hospital has told her that she'll get that back brace off in about 3 months, but she is expected to make a full recovery, and she says she has her friend Kayla to thank for it. In Montgomery County, Rob Manch, WSLS 10.